Hey guys, in this video I'll tell you some interesting facts about Mercury that you probably didn't know, so sit back and enjoy these 25 facts about Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and the smallest in the solar system. It's 18 times smaller than Earth. Mercury has a diameter of 4,879 kilometers, almost 2.5 times smaller than that of Earth. Mercury has an almost non-existent atmosphere in which sodium and potassium and tiny amounts of oxygen, argon, helium, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and hydrogen are found. Mercury makes a complete rotation around the Sun in 88 days, moving in orbit at a speed of about 50 kilometers per second, being the fastest planet in the solar system. Even if it rotates once every 59 days, a day on Mercury lasts 176 days. At the surface of the planet Mercury, temperatures are between -173 and 427 degrees Celsius, the average temperature being 179 degrees Celsius. Under the crust, which is 1 to 200 kilometers thick, Mercury has a large iron core, 3,600 kilometers in diameter, that generates a magnetic field about 100 times weaker than that of Earth. Before the first mission to Mercury, its surface was thought to be smooth. Between 1974 and 1975, the Mariner 10 spacecraft mapped 40 to 45% of the surface of the planet Mercury, being the only spacecraft to approach this planet. Mariner 10 discovered that Mercury resembles the Moon, with a surface lined with craters from the bombing of asteroids and comets, a phenomenon that ceased 3.8 billion years ago. On August 3, 2004, NASA launched the Messenger spacecraft to Mercury. It arrived in orbit on the planet on April 4, 2011. The probe's mission is to study the chemical composition, geology and magnetic field of the planet Mercury. Mercury was first observed by the Sumerians about 5,000 years ago. Mercury has been geologically inactive for billions of years, from this point of view being the least understood planet among the telluric planets. On the Mercury sky, the Sun appears 2.5 times larger than the Earth's sky. 13 times a century, Mercury can be observed from Earth as it passes in front of the Sun, an astronomical phenomenon called transit. Due to the lack of atmosphere, the Mercury sky is black and stars are probably visible during the day. If on Earth a man would weigh 60 kilograms, on Mercury he would weigh around 22 kilograms. Mercury has the largest orbital eccentricity, the measure of the deviation of the elliptical orbit of all the planets in the solar system, its distance from the Sun ranging from 46 to 70 million kilometers. Although it's the smallest planet in the solar system, it is second in density to Earth, 1 cubic centimeter having a density of 5.4 grams. This is due to the composition of the planet Mercury of rocks and metals. Although it's the closest planet to the Sun, it's the second warmest, the first being Venus. Mercury was named after the Roman god Mercurius. In Roman mythology, he was a messenger of the gods. Due to its proximity to the Sun, Mercury is visible from Earth only immediately after sunrise and sunset. Mercury has no natural satellites. Although it's so close to the Sun, in 1991, astronomers discovered with the help of certain radars that it could have ice at the poles, hidden in deep craters, permanently shaded. Mercury is 100 times closer to the Sun than the dwarf planet Pluto. Now you should smash that like button and subscribe so you won't miss the next video. Thank you for watching.